engineering. What the hackers or crackers do? They take the code, they fragment it into parts, they analyze it, and come to the measure the privacy of the content. They will come into the security system, take the privacy, take the code. That is not beneficial to the customer, to the company itself. If company develops a code and the code has a copyright, but that is not used, we come upon the security system that has no use because of reverse engineering. This reverse engineering is not new to us. It had come during the Second World War by the engineers who work in the field to convert the code and to move in the backward phase. Please move forward. Now we come on code obfuscation, the solution of reverse engineering. What code obfuscation do? It will take the code and change the format of it. If we have the different format, the reverse engineer will apply the algorithm to convert it into some different form. Now the algorithms are not working on the original code. They are converting on different code. And the algorithms are not applicable or not have the sufficient power to convert in their form what they require. Now, you all think we have the methods of cryptography, a subject in our UPTU also. But then why we are using this technology? This cryptography works or stands on one and only one thing, and that is public or private key. What the developers do? They encrypt the code and have decrypted code. What they will do of key? They will put the key in the code in the form of developing languages. Now, the hacker or cracker move to this source key which is not encrypted, which is usually in the native code. And now, if the hacker has the key, what is the need of cryptography? Nothing. Another thing is slow down the system. If you have the key, you have all. Otherwise, none. Now, if we move to somewhat further, and here I think it is the time to pass the ball to Mr. Manura. Please, friend.
You have 1 minute left. 1 minute.
Well, thank you, Arun. This is an example of stated code. As my friend has told that the code should be confusing, that no one can easily understand the code. This code is not easily understandable as it contains some crazy string and some attainable codes. Let me show its output. World map. Doesn't it sounds amazing that you write certain codes of some crazy strings and finally you get something like world map? Let me first of all tell you that how we can obtain code obfuscation. Please proceed. It's a simple program in C showing hello world. Okay. Now another way to write. Suppose Ajay Kumar J code is represented by P. Similarly, we have data structure like in string and we conclude them into the printf statement. Another way. Make a crazy string of octal, hexadecimal and other certain figures and you will attain this third code. Some of the conventions which are generally used. You can represent it by hexadecimal, octal, string or character properties. Now, going to the advantages. As my friend has told, intellectual property protection. That is the code that you have prepared for the organization is yours. It's not none others. That is, you have wasted so much of energy and the other person can easily pick and look at the code. So this is the one. Then security exposure. Security is very entitled. Medium person cannot understand those codes and cannot easily accommodate to themselves. So security is NS. Size reduction. We have seen the word size program. It will take about 5 to 6 pages. Generally it's done. Then the library. Followed by conclusion, as I already told that it is an efficient way to protect against reverse engineering. Then it reduces the size of your code, enables dynamic linking. That is, suppose I have told you P. P is somewhere else in the program only, in the middle or certain other. The other string is also there, but it is such jumbled up that other person cannot pick into the code. So it is a dynamic linking that is possible. So this is one of the best techniques which generally coders or developers use themselves for protecting their code against reverse engineering or other techniques such that their code is better and also that another person cannot put a level of their stamp on the source code and can say that it is our code and not others code. So queries please. Thank you.
Thank you.
When you're talking about this technique, agree that you're changing the structure of the code. But again, there has to can do reverse engineering on it.
That is what I would like to say. Suppose there is a simple code which you say it as a key. It's not actually key. It's some logics which is totally jumbled up. Suppose you have some certain strings over here of crazy strings A, Z, etc. And this, let me show you the main program which I can calculate. Main program.
Yeah.
Now this program is very complex. No easy person can understand. It won the first prize in 1992 International Obfuscation Contest. What was this program actually doing? It was evaluating this string, its total string. This represents latitude and longitude positions of round the world. And these positions vary from minus 360 degree to plus 360 degree. Variation from this code. This is a logic which is being totally amended. It's not exactly the key or some patterns which are amended, but in fact it is a logic that you have to create in such a way that no one other can trigger the code. Like my friend said, if it's my writing is bad, only I can understand. No easily other can understand. Of course, there is always a chance that if you want to be totally secure, totally foolproof from the hackers, there are only two ways. Either if you have a computer, never own your computer system, and if you own, please don't switch it. So those are the things. But still,
पंडित जी मान जाओ.
This is also one of the type of cryptography concept is there. So I want clear difference between your code.
Cryptography and this. What happens in cryptography? You use either public key pair or private key pair or anything. You have a key which is kept secret, and whenever this key is revealed, everything is revealed. This is totally sure. Suppose, let me take an example of .NET Office which we revealed in the software one. What happens in that? There is assembly.
Same concept is here. Suppose you want to read your code after 1 year and you have encrypted your code and you put in your file in this computer, and again you want to decrypt your code, you want to read your file after 1 year. I think you are also not able to read your code also. So you must have the key to
That is
decrypt.
what exactly happens. We have international obfuscation committee for those. We have best obfuscator around the world that keeps of PHP obfuscator, Java obfuscator as well as .NET obfuscator. What they do is they have a certain mechanism. Similarly, deobfuscator are also there. Like cryptography, there are encryption, decryption. Similarly, there are deobfuscators. But logic is something different. You create a program of summing two numbers. Simple as is equal to a plus b. Simple technique. Other technique, use octal representation, use mode binary representator, use OR gate, use followed by XOR gate, and then you yield the result that this is the code. Other person simply cannot understand. You know this logic. Suppose you have prepared this logic in certain amount of time, you generally remember that this is a certain logic that I will be having to prepare. There are certain guidelines, similar to octal and binary representation, there are more guidelines. In fact, there is a total algebraic theory behind this obfuscation.
Here I want to add to some word for Mr. Manu.
So Manu, you propose this concept. Yeah, this concept is
This concept is in the market since 1991.
okay. So what are your contribution, your logic in this paper? Your aim is to present this,
Present this
give
paper.
the information knowledge to the audience.
Yes, sir.
Also, we are
working to enhance this obfuscation the process. Like I have told you, this main program in certain ways. Similarly, whenever you code anything in your software company or anything, either you pass it through softwares. We have softwares available. If anyone is interested, we can take. Either you can pass it through them, or you follow such techniques. Where we have many books of software engineering which shows that code should be like this, code should be like this, so that it should be good. But this is another way to protect finally. Suppose you have your main files or Windows cryptography, something else. Like you have in Microsoft Windows system that will do certain DLL files. Those files you can obfuscate so that no other person can put a label onto those and can sell it by their names. Because it generally happens if some certain company has made some good product, then they take certain part of the product and sell it.
What is
Yes, you can.
बैठ जाओ सगळे. ले खोपचे में से